What's going on, YouTube? It's Wrong Flight, and if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you already know what is going on, and that is I got a brand new exhaust, carbon fiber, Two Brothers. I believe it's an M2 slip-on. I'll post it in the description what it actually is, but yeah, I love it. The stock exhaust, I mean, if you listen to my first video, I did a little rev for you. But I mean, it's as simple as looking it up online, figuring out how quiet it is. I mean, this one so much louder than stock exhaust, because I mean, just it's beautiful. Stock exhaust, the opening's only like that big. This one is huge. So yeah, that's the only update I have of my bike, and since it's warm, I'm gonna rev it for you guys. See. 5,000 RPM. Yeah, so that's what it sounds like. Hopefully it's not too muffled over the camera, but that is in fact a beautiful sounding exhaust compared to the old one. So I'll catch y'all later.